Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable gestures for navigation on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. As you can see, currently we have simple buttons on the bottom of our screen, and in order to change them and just to delete them, we go to settings, we want to locate display, and if we scroll down a little bit, we can see navigation bar. Here we can swap between buttons and swipe gestures. So as you can see now, the buttons are gone, and we can use our gestures in order to move around. So we can go from one edge of the screen to the middle in order to go back. We can go from the bottom to the middle to just minimize anything, and we can go from the bottom to the middle while holding our finger in the middle in order to go to our open tabs. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.